Hi friends, in my last video just I have revised the formula. In this video I'll show you how to present this sum. To present the sum just we need to follow 5 steps. The 5 steps are: first we should write the given part, writing the given part and rough sketch of diagram, applying the formula, next calculation, and at last conclusion. It's purely from AP State Board 10th class textbook. Example 1. The radius of a conical tent is 7 meters and its height is 10 meters. Calculate the length of the canvas used in making the tent if width of canvas is 2 meters. We have to use pi equal to 22/7 that they have mentioned here. Our tent is in shape of cone. First, we should write the given part. Given in a conical tent, radius r. You can write simply r or you can write radius is, next height h 10 meters. Calculate the length of the canvas used in making the tent. Here our tent is in shape of cone. This is R. Here also we can write them. H 10 meters and the L. This is the slant height L of the cone. L square equals to R square plus H square, that we know. So L equal to root over square root of R square plus H square, means R square is 7, so 7 square R square is 7 square, and H 10, so 10 square equals to 49 plus 100 is 149. 49 plus 100 is 149. We know 12 square is 144. So 149 means maybe 12 point something square. If we do, we'll get 12.2 meters. L. This is slant height L meters. Slant height, not the length. They are asking us to find out the length. How we'll get the length? If we find out the area, in that area we can find out the length. Area means length into breadth. First we'll find out the surface area of cone. Surface area of cone. You can write surface area of cone or just surface area. Here we know all the formulas. Just now we have find out the L also. I'm writing here. 22/7 into radius 7 into slant height 12.2. 7 and 7 get cancelled. 22 into 12.2. 22 twos is 44 and the 4 here, and 22 twos again 44 plus 4 48, 4 here, and 22 ones 22 plus 4 28. Here the point is before one digit, so in our answer also we'll keep before one digit. 288.4 meters square. Find out in the area, we should mention here unit square. Units are given meters, so meter square. Now we'll find out area. Area equals to length into breadth. Area is 288.4 equals to length. Breadth means width. Here width of canvas is given 2 meters. Width is 2 meters. So length L equals to, this 2 comes to this side, it will divide. So 288.4 by 2 equals to 144.2 meters, because just this is length, not any volume or area. Last conclusion. Therefore, length of canvas used in making the tent is 144.2 meters. Example 2. An oil drum is in the shape of cylinder having the following dimensions: diameter 2 meters and height is 7 meters. The painter charges 3 rupees per meter square. To paint the drum, find the total charges to be paid to the painter for 10 drums. There is an oil drum in shape of cylinder and they have given dimensions. The painter want to paint the drum. He charged per meter square. He'll take 3 rupees and we should find the total charge to be paid to the painter for 10 drums. To find out charges for 10 drums, first we need to calculate for 1 drum. Our drum is in shape of cylinder. We'll write given part given in a cylindrical oil drum. Diameter D equals to 2 meters and height H equals to 7 meters. The given diameter is 2 meters. So radius D equal to 2 meters. That implies R equals to D by 2 equals to 2 by 2 and 1. We got R equals to 1 meters. And the height given 7 meters. The painter wants to paint the drum. We should know the total surface area of this drum so that we can find out for 1 drum. Total surface area of cylinder 2 pi r into r plus h. 2 pi r into r plus h. Here we know pi, r and h. 8 fours is 32 and 3 here. 8 fours again 32. 32 plus 3 is 35. 352 by 7 meters square. Just I am leaving in fraction form. Find the total charges to be paid to the painter for 10 drums. Here we got surface area of 1 drum we got. So we will find out for 10 drums. Charge per 1 meter square is 3 rupees. I am writing charge per meter square is 3 rupees. Here our total surface area is 352 by 7 meter square. Charge per here 1 meter square, here 352 by 7 meter square equals to 3 into 352 by 7 meter square. They asked us to find out for 10 drums. Charge per 10 drums. This is 3 into 352 by 7 into 10 because for 10 drums they asked. So 10 charge per 10 drums is 3 into 352 by 7 into 10. There is no cancellation, so just I am multiplying. 3 into 10 is 30, leave it here. 352 into 3. 3 2 6, 3 5 is 15, 1, 3 3 is 9 and 10. 1056 into 10 is remained 10 by 7 equals to 10560 by 7. You know the division. We got 1508.4. 1508.4 rupees. Charge to be paid to the painter for 10 drums is 1508.4 rupees. Example 3. A sphere, a cylinder and a cone are of the same radius and same height r, and these all are r. This is h and h. For circle h means diameter only. Find the ratio of their surface areas. If we see here in sphere, they given height as h. H means indirectly diameter. Given in a sphere, cylinder and a cone, same radius means r. Sphere I am representing as 1. Sphere is 1 and cylinder 2 and cone 3. R1 equals to R2 equals to R3. This all equals to R, and height also h1 equals to h2 equals to h3 equals to h If we see here, h is diameter, means h equals to d. D means 2r. We know diameter is 2 times of the radius, so h equals to 2r. If we see here, height is 2 into radius, 2 times of the radius. For finding out surface area of cone, we should know the slant height. I am doing that here. L equals to root over r square plus h square. We know r is r. I am leaving it r as r square plus h means 2r whole square, means this is 4r square. 4r square plus r square, that is 5r square, means this is root 5 into r. Root 5r. H is 2r. I am writing here 2r. Surface area of sphere equals to S1. Surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. Surface area of cylinder S2 is 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h. We know h is 2r. I am substituting that. 2 2's 4 and r into r is r square. 4 pi r square. Surface area of cone equals to S3 equals to pi r l. Pi r l equals to L is root 5 into r. If we substitute it here, we'll get root 5 into pi r square. They asked us ratio, so S1 is to S2 is to S3 equals to 4 pi r square is to 4 pi r square is to 5 pi r square. In all, pi r square, pi r square, pi r square common and they all get cancelled. At last 4 is to 4 is to root 5. There is no any common factor for these three except 1. So no calculation is possible here. So we'll leave like that. At last you can write conclusion that ratio of surface areas of given figures. We can write surface areas of given figures is 4 is to 4 is to root 5. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Click on bell button for more videos.